Hello there, smart business owner. I'm Dries Walker here in the studios of Explanation in Los Angeles. In this video, you see what types of protective barriers that you can install in between employees and the public. So this has to happen not only for the safety of your employees, but most importantly, that your customers will feel safe doing business with you. So stay tuned, because here you see how to prepare for the new normal in business using sneeze guards and separation shields.
Are you looking for shields to buy and install? Or who helps you with it? Or are you typing on Google, plexiglass shields near me? Who installs shields? Or who provides shields and barriers for the office? Or even environmental solutions to protect my employees?
For one of those, chances are that you got here because we have the answers. Our sponsors, The Ultimate Handyman and The Ultimate Pro, can help you, even if plexiglass is not sold near you. So here are examples of sneeze guards. One thing we know for a fact, business cannot be conducted as usual like before the COVID-19 hit in early 2020. Since then, we have had to deal with sneeze barriers and sneeze guards. Because we have construction knowledge to solve problems, we come up with creative solutions for recurring construction and maintenance issues. We make your projects easier and painless, helping you complete them faster, adding permanent knowledge to your brain toolbox and your resume. Give us a call and tell us what's your pain in construction and maintenance, and we will come up with a reasonable solution for you. Here we go. Sneeze guards are clear plastic partitions that separate customers and members of the public from employees or products that might be vulnerable to the spread of germs. Also bacteria and viruses, who knows?
So we don't use this term sneeze barriers that often, but we will have to use it a lot from now on, because this term refers to anything that separates people, maintaining them safe from each other's saliva or even droplets of saliva, while still allowing them to conduct business transactions face to face.
Keeping this area sanitized and protected by a sheet of glass was obviously a real need for food-to-human interactions. That has been extended to human-to-human business relations as well. So let's get to it. Now, any business that requires their employees to interact with customers or each other for that matter will have to consider the installation of protective shields or social distancing barriers, aka sneeze guards. So basically, as you could notice on our examples, any facility that has a checkout area or environments where employees will interact with customers face to face could use this type of solution to limit the spread of disease and keep areas sanitarily hygienic and safe for everyone. I have seen many businesses haphazardly hanging pieces of plexiglass on their ceiling to create barriers. So we decided to make this video to help you decide the best and the cheapest solution for your needs without looking like a hack. I am the owner of The Ultimate Pro here in Los Angeles, and we are committed to providing you with installations of systems that make sense for your business. We help you choose the materials and installation methods to create effective partitions and create the needed barriers quickly. From retail and customer service counters to manufacturing production floors or a wide array of business and stores, we can make the assessment of your needs based on your exclusive setup by interviewing your employees, customers, and inspecting your locations to create a proposal for barriers and sneeze guards throughout your business and a customized solution for you. We can also install these items so you can rest assured that your employees, visitors, and customers are benefiting from social distancing barriers or any other solution that will help you to acquire. So call 323-651-0635. Now, if you think that you cannot afford customized solutions, we have something here for you. So follow with me. Here are some of the options and the respective benefits that are easily available and cheaply acquired, so you can choose which ones are the best for your operations. So number one is this one here. First, let's talk about materials options. There are only 4 types of materials that can easily be used for clear barriers. So the acrylic sheets, the plexiglass. There's also high impact polycarbonate sheets that are the bulletproof material. And the PETG, that's an acronym for polyester-based sheets that's mostly used in beverages and bottles. Now that you know the materials, here are the types and advantages that you need to keep in mind when choosing a system. There are 4 major types. Number 1, frame adjustable shields. Adjustable to allow flush mount to counters or to create a pass-through height under the shields. As you can see, it is a simple installation that can be glued on with double-sided adhesive tape or use pre-drilled holes on the aluminum frame for more permanent installation. They are 24 by 32 each one of them. Number 2 is frameless surface mount shields. The material is bent at 90 degrees at a base like this, allowing for mounting directly to the surface at the base. Can also be used with tape or screws, and you can also have openings in them. So this is the kind of, they come pre-drilled or not at 24 by 32 and they are modular, can be used side by side. Number 3, hanging shields. With their pre-drilled holes at the top of the shield suspended from above. We use small chains or simple professional installation directly to the ceiling. So you have that standing from the ceiling down. They come in 24 by 32s but can be ordered in any size. So in number 4 is a freestanding shield. The major advantage of this shield is the mobility and easy assembly. Without any tools you can put it together. Even your own employees can set it up on any surface. They are 24 by 32 and they are modular, so you can use side by side. They are the fastest way to set up any business with sneeze guards without any waste of time designing or fabricating complicated or fancy systems. So all these items that we picked have combined advantages that make them simple to install, care for, and efficient for the proposed use. Number 1, they are all lightweight, which is a plus during installation, and easier to remove if the viruses are no longer a concern. Number 2, unlike some kind of glass, they are all impact resistant, appropriate for close human interface without the fear of breaking, especially from normal impact. Number 3, they're all crystal clear, exactly what you need to interact with other people without any visual interference. Number 4, they're all modular and they come in small sizes and easy application of various situations and spaces. They are 24 by 32, but you can order bigger sizes and use them side by side. I hope you can pick from one of these options. And if you need a one-on-one assistance, call 323-651-0635 and book an assessment, and we'll come by to perform a site review and give you some recommendations. Give us a call, 323-651-0635, and these are the people who actually paid for this video. Nothing else. Just click on my belly. Just click on my belly. Click now. On my belly. This side, or click here on this one, or that one. Click here, or click here, or click here, or click here. But no, the time is running out. The time is running out. Quick, 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 quick.